Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the new Mitsubishi Triton L200 Global Launch Ceremony. Please welcome Osamu Masuko, Chief Executive Officer of Mitsubishi Motors Corporation.
Welcome, and thank you for joining us. Today, we can celebrate 40 years of Mitsubishi Motors pickup heritage, at the same time as looking ahead to what the future will bring. Since 1978, we have been producing tough pickups which have provided service from Siberia to the Sahara. More than 4.7 million of our pickups have now been produced and found homes in 150 countries around the world. There are good reasons for this popularity. In addition to the durability, reliability, and off-road capability required from a pickup truck, we have provided the levels of comfort required by the private user right from the first generation. This had a profound effect on our business, and not just in sales. The expertise we gained from producing these four-wheel drive pickups led directly to our Pajero and Delica, laying the foundations for our SUV expertise. The technology and style of the Triton has evolved over the years, but the passion for engineering remained constant. Our customers trust the Mitsubishi Motors brand. They know that these three diamonds are tough and that we have designed and tested them in the most extreme conditions to provide a safe, reliable, and comfortable service. Tritons are tough enough to be trusted by owners for work and play, by emergency services, major corporations, and governments. They are also loved as a family car or as a means for smaller businesses to ply their trade. The reason for this endorsement by professionals and private buyers is the Triton's inner strength, tough not just in how it looks, but tough in the real sense of the word. The Triton has also helped Mitsubishi to be tough. It has been crucial to our business and will continue to be in the future. 2018 is an extremely important year for Mitsubishi Motors. We are halfway through Drive for Growth midterm business plan covering 2017 to 2019. Announcing the new Triton in such an important year as this has major significance in terms of achieving our midterm targets. Triton is one of our 5 core models, accounts for 15% of our sales. The success of the new Triton is vital in our efforts to build a foundation for sustainable growth. So we can't underestimate the importance of the Triton to our business globally, here in Thailand, and to the Thai economy itself. The relationship between Mitsubishi Motors and ASEAN goes back 50 years, even longer than the history of the Triton. You could say ASEAN is, to us, like a second home. Thailand has the largest Mitsubishi Motors operation outside of Japan. I am proud to say we now employ almost 7,000 people directly, with 1,000 more in the supply chain. The history of growth at Mitsubishi Motors is very much mirrored in the growth of production volume at our Thai plant. In 2016, we became the country's largest vehicle exporter. Last year, we exported more than 330,000 units from Thailand. In fact, Mitsubishi Motors Thailand was the first automaker to export vehicles from Thailand, beginning in 1988 with the Lancer Champ to Canada. The plant at Lemchaban is now Mitsubishi Motors' largest, capable of producing 424,000 vehicles a year and exporting to more than 150 countries worldwide. Total production of Mitsubishi Motors Thailand hit 5 million vehicles in June this year. More than 80% of the vehicles produced at Lemchaban are for export to ASEAN region and beyond to other markets across the world. Building the success of the Lemchaban plant, we also support growth across the ASEAN region, helping with the development of other production facilities and providing a center for training, research, and development. Thailand is key to Mitsubishi Motors' plans for the future. With the help of the Thai government and our dedicated workforce, we will strengthen our leadership in the ASEAN market and grow the number of high-quality exports which are sent around the world. We have faced many crises during our period of revitalization. The global financial crisis, the Great East Japan earthquake, and the European debt crisis included. At each of these turns, it has been our ASEAN business that has supported profit. And just like the Triton for Mitsubishi Motors, ASEAN is a tough and reliable partner. And now it is my pleasure to introduce you to a vehicle which will drive our ambitions here in Thailand, across the ASEAN region, and globally. The Thailand story has a new, tough look to match its tough engineering. It combines all our expertise in SUVs and pickups and incorporates new systems technology drawn from our most advanced cars. It will also enable our customers to drive their ambition. Ladies and gentlemen, the new Triton.
And now, please welcome Tsunehiro Kunimoto, Corporate Vice President of Design.
Good morning, everyone. Drive your ambition is our new corporate tagline and our promise to deliver the vehicles with a cutting-edge technology and design and to exceed the highest expectations of our customers. We keep this promise with a new Triton design concept, rock solid. It's pure Mitsubishi-ness, robust and dynamic. The story of our design begins with a survey of our pickup customers here in Thailand and also around the world. From the professional to the families, we asked them what they wanted in a pickup. Their answer was tough, rugged, stable, and dynamic. Research also showed the customers around the world especially wanted Triton's functionalities for their work needs. Our new design exceeds those expectations with improving ground clearance and also greater approach and also departure angles, and with a design that say tough and stable. Let's look at the front face. Our dynamic shield design concept has dramatically evolved. Both vertical and also chrome, the chrome grille bar of the look reinforce the looks of the rock solidities. It looks like the grille has been carved and also polished from the solid metal block. The higher positioning of the head and also hog lamp created the bolder and also massive look. On this side, front to back character line expresses visually expanse of space and also underline of the thickness of the overall body. The curved surface adds to the sensual accent to the body. The fender flares looks like a giant cutter sliced through the muscular curves. This contrast of sensual curves and also clean flatness expresses Triton's engineering toughness and the cutting-edge styling. And the rear tail lamp layout almost reach the top of the tailgate and wrap around to the side for wider, deeper, and more stable looks. The signature design of the separated tail and also brake lamp give Triton its unique visual identity and also better lamp visibilities. For our customers, Mitsubishi-ness also mean high quality and functionality and precision engineering. For example, distinctive design and quality of the front and rear lamp units and also compact precision engineering of bifunction LED projector headlamps. Our integration of the daylight running light in the grill added to the bold identity on the front mask. Looks like a bull on horns. We also have developed 4 new body colors to express the individuality of our customers. Graphite gray, passion orange, white diamond, and red solid. White diamond is the newest color in our diamond series. It combines pearl lusters and also metallic depths to create an amazing look. The color seems to shift depending on the light and also highlighting the sculpted homes. Inside, the design evolution continues with the enhancing robustness and functionalities. Bold framing of the winged center panel and air ventilation trim and the metallic squared shift panel garnish makes the dynamic cockpit even more modern and robust. In the soft panel trim, as the stitch detail and also under the floor console, armrest, and the parking brake, you can feel Mitsubishi comfort and also quality and attention to the details. New Triton also meets the need and style of each customer. With a wide range of the accessories, each designed to showcase the robustness and new Triton. The voice of the customer, our customer, and the Mitsubishi design and engineering excellence have come together to create a world-class product, dependable companions to exploring the frontier of your life. I hope you like the new tough looks of our new Triton as much as we love design it. I will now turn to the stage over to the Koichi Namiki, who will tell you how the toughness more than, I think, design. Thank you very much.
And now, please welcome Koichi Namiki, Program Director.
Good morning, everyone. I'm honored to be with you all today on this big occasion to unveil the new Triton. As just mentioned, the new Triton now has the toughest look ever in its history. But it is not just a look. The vehicle has and always had the toughest heart inside. I'd like to explain how we've engineered the new Triton to be beyond tough. This is a vehicle we export to 150 countries and produce 160,000 units per year. It is our second largest selling vehicle and the backbone of Mitsubishi Motors. But not only that, this is a vehicle which supports our customers' business. They rely on our vehicle. Therefore, our focus has been making it right for our customers. First and most important element for that is to listen to the voice of customers. Our sales and service members and even engineers continuously visit commercial users and collect voice and give feedback to the product team. And we've been doing that for the past 4 decades and 5 generations and 4.7 million units since Mitsubishi Motors launched its first pickup truck in 1978. Second key element is how to create a new vehicle. It is not enough to develop a new vehicle just to pass the technical standards or test criteria. At Mitsubishi Motors, we make sure the new model always surpasses the previous model. That's the way we've been working to meet and exceed our customers' expectation. For example, today, drivers expect features found in a passenger car for a pickup truck. Such direction is now becoming more popular even among business users who are sometimes in the vehicle most of the day. We heard those voices and improved the comfortableness of the current model without sacrificing the toughness which the previous model had proven. Actually, Triton was one of the first pickup trucks seriously focusing on comfort. But most of all, our customers value the toughness of their Tritons. So we adapted a motto for the new Triton, engineered beyond tough. This means not just making it tougher, but the true toughness backed by our engineers' sheer persistence to meet and go beyond customers' expectations. I want to highlight 3 areas for the new Triton which have resulted from this engineering persistence. 1, even greater durability and reliability. And 2, more capability. And 3, improved driving confidence. Let me start with durability and reliability. These are actually the most important aspects of a pickup truck as an equipment to support customers' business, as I already mentioned. And their business environment is sometimes in severest conditions such as under heavy loads, high and low temperatures, and on extreme terrains. And these are the aspects where our long history really works. To make the vehicle durable, we conduct exhaustive tests, and the test conditions are based on accumulation of feedback from customers in the field. When a problem occurs with a Triton, our engineers immediately rush to the site for investigation. And from there, we have continuously given feedback to the testing process and suggest engineering improvements. It means that every field in the world is our testing ground. Based on all of this testing and accumulated feedback from the field, the new Triton is now extremely durable and reliable. With a new reinforced front-end structure, among other features such as high tensile material, rust preventative body, and RISE crash safety body structures. Now let's look at the capability. Our pickups have always pioneered Mitsubishi Motors off-road and four-wheel drive technology. We have built the new Triton to be even more capable on different surfaces with the new technologies. The first is the addition of off-road modes to the drivetrain system, which makes going off-road easier. Drivers can now choose from 4 settings: gravel, southern snow, sand, and rock, each providing optimum torque control to expand capability for the respective surface. We have also added hill descent control, which allows drivers to confidently drive down steep slopes without the need for any dedicated throttle control or braking. The Triton now takes care of this for you. And we have upgraded the drivetrain hardware as well with a new speed automatic transmission, which delivers smoother acceleration and driving performance. Combined with Super Select 4-wheel drive 2 or Easy Select 4-wheel drive drivetrains, the Triton delivers optimum performance for the road conditions and surfaces. And now for driving confidence. At Mitsubishi Motors, we believe a commercial vehicle should be as safe as a sedan. The Triton often serves as a family car as well as a business tool, so safety is a top priority. The new Triton has numerous improvements to help keep the owner, their family, workmates, and load safe. The strong, tough frame of the Triton and its natural maneuverability. We've added some impressive new safety technologies, which is aimed at avoiding collision in the first place. Forward collision mitigation, blind spot warning, ultrasonic misacceleration mitigation system, and rear cross-traffic alert. All of them are now available on the new Triton. We consider comfort is also an important factor to keep driver and passengers safe. The new Triton suspension with increased capacity of shock absorbers will bring better ride comfort as well as confidence in driving on rough roads. While we are talking of comfort, let me ask you to look closely at the new Triton's improved interior, including new features to make sure occupants are alert and ache-free, even after hours in the cabin. We don't just think of the driver either. The new Triton features a air circulator built into the roof panel. Fresh air reaches passengers seated in the rear. So, more safety, more comfort, more driving confidence, and more capability. The Triton you see here today has been crafted based upon 40 years of heritage and our engineering expertise. It is the foundation of the future of Mitsubishi pickups for decades to come. Thank you very much.
I hope you are as excited by the new Triton as we are. It brings confidence, inspiring technology, and safety to the sector, enabling our customers to work and play hard. It is a solid foundation on which we will grow our business in Thailand, the ASEAN region, and the world. So please join me in celebrating 40 years of Triton and welcoming the new tough Triton. Thank you.
Drive your ambition. Mitsubishi Motors.
Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe for more videos. If you like this video, click the like buttons and give your comments.